Ever found yourself giving your all, yet she just isn't interested? You're not alone. The problem isn't that you're doing too little. It's that you're doing too little. It's that you're doing too much. You're chasing, over, complimenting, and losing your power. What if you could flip the script and have her chasing you instead? Let's uncover the secrets to attracting any woman, even if she's not giving you a second glance. Benefit 1. Stop acting like she's special. When you act like she's special, you tell her through your actions that you're not good enough. She doesn't have to work for your attention because you've already handed it to her. This kills her respect for you. And without respect, attraction doesn't exist. Women aren't drawn to men who beg for their approval. They want men who know their worth. Think about this. Ever noticed how a woman instantly loses interest when she knows you're treating her like she's the only one in the world? She starts acting cold, takes you for granted, and barely responds to your efforts. That's because you've already given her all the power by making her feel like she's above you. Here's what you need to do. Stop putting her on a pedestal. Treat her like an equal, not a goddess. Talk to her like you would anyone else, with calm confidence. When she sees that you're not desperate, she'll start valuing your attention. And when you act like you have options, she'll start wondering if you're someone she can't afford to lose. Benefit 2. Show dominance in your action. When you hesitate, overthink, or wait for her approval before making a move, you come across as unsure and weak. Women don't want men who follow. They're attracted to men who lead. Dominance doesn't mean being aggressive. It's about being decisive, confident, and in control of your actions. Now think about this. Ever seen a guy who keeps asking, "What do you want to do?" Or "Is this okay with you?" He looks insecure and unsure of himself. Women lose interest in such men because they crave someone who takes charge and makes them feel secure. Indecisiveness, a turn-off. Here's what you need to do. Start taking the lead. Make decisions confidently, whether it's planning a date or handling a situation. Don't wait for her to guide you. Show her that you're capable of guiding her. When you act with purpose, she'll naturally see you as someone worth following, someone who commands respect. Benefit 3. Use her ego against her. When you constantly shower her with attention, she feels in control and stops valuing your presence. Women are drawn to what they can't easily have. If you're always available and chasing her, you're giving her the upper hand and killing her attraction. Think about this. When a guy texts her nonstop, compliments her every move, and never pulls back, she gets bored. She knows she has him wrapped around her finger, and there's no mystery or challenge left. He becomes disposable. Here's what you need to do. Step back. Stop feeding her ego with constant attention. Be less predictable and let her wonder why you're not chasing her like the rest. When she realizes she doesn't have complete control over you, she'll start chasing your attention instead. Benefit 4. Master the power of silence. When you talk too much or overshare, you lose the mystery that makes you intriguing. Silence isn't just golden, it's powerful. Women are naturally curious, and when you keep them guessing, they can't help but pay attention. Think about this. Ever seen a guy nervously rambling on a date, spilling every detail about his life? The woman zones out because there's no tension, no curiosity. He's an open book, and she's already lost interest before finishing the first chapter. Here's what you need to do. Talk less and listen more. Use pauses in conversations to build tension. Answer questions with calm confidence, but never reveal everything. A man who controls his words controls the room. And the moment she starts wondering what's on your mind, you've won her attention. Benefit 5. Be comfortable walking away. When you're afraid to lose her, you give away your power. Women respect men who respect themselves. If you cling to someone who's not interested, you come across as weak, desperate, and unattractive. Walking away isn't losing. It's showing you value yourself above all else. Think about this. Ever seen a guy who keeps chasing a woman? Even after she's clearly uninterested, he becomes annoying, pathetic, and easy to ignore. She knows he won't leave, so she keeps stringing him along without respect or care. Here's what you need to do. Be ready to walk away the moment you're disrespected or undervalued. When you're willing to leave, it flips the script. She'll see you as someone who knows his worth, and that's when the real attraction begins. Respect starts when you show you don't need her to define your value. Benefit 6. Build an aura of mystery. When you reveal everything about yourself up front, you lose the allure that keeps women intrigued. Mystery is a magnet. It makes her want to know more. If she can predict your every move or thought, the excitement fades fast. Think about this. Ever noticed how women are drawn to the guy who keeps them guessing? The one who doesn't overshare or always explain himself. She's curious, intrigued, and constantly thinking about him. On the flip side, the guy who lays it all out on the table is easily forgotten. Here's what you need to do. Keep some parts of your life private. Don't always explain where you're going or what you're doing. Share just enough to spark interest, but leave her wondering about the rest. The less she knows, the more she'll want to uncover, and that's how you keep her attention locked on you. Benefit 7. Focus on your own life first. When you make her the center of your world, you lose your value. Women are attracted to men who have their own goals, ambitions, and lives outside of the relationship. If you revolve everything around her, you become predictable and easy to take for granted. Think about this. Ever seen a guy who sacrifices everything for a woman? He forgets his goals, stops hanging out with his friends, and stops improving himself. She sees that he's too available and easily replaceable, which kills any excitement. Here's what you need to do. Put your own life first. Pursue your passions, grow your career, and keep your circle of friends strong. When she sees that you have a fulfilling life outside of her, she'll start to see you as a man of value. A man who's busy living his life, isn't desperate for her time. He's a man who commands respect, and that makes you irresistible. Before we wrap up, I want you to do something. Stop just watching videos. It's time to take action. Write down your commitment to change, no matter the cost. Promise yourself that you'll attract the right woman by becoming the best version of you. Drop your promise in the comments, and I'll feature the most powerful one on our channel, along with your name. And if you want more of these kinds of words of wisdom, hit the subscribe button.